Under the set basis, we have, again, just for review, this is the aircraft set basis, and I chose the latest aircraft, which is A350, and you can see the set basis, Para 1, Section 2, Para 1, EASA set basis, because 350 state of design is Europe, and is EASA has been contracted to do all this certification of the aircraft type model. CS25 Amendment 8, large aeroplane, and there are several exceptions, and there are separate special condition. I think we have also discussed about special condition yesterday, and all the numbers here is the CRE file number, certification review items.
Oh, so certification review items.
Yes, this is CRE file number, CRE reference number. We have discussed about CRE yesterday. What is CRE? Also, CRE has been mentioned in the CATs. So this is a special condition. We have deviation, no deviation for 350. There is equivalent safety findings. Equivalent safety finding means compliant by other means, showing compliant not directly as per what required by the CS. They still meeting the CS, no deviation. However, the way they show compliance is a bit different. Then they call it equivalent safety finding. For example, just I give you a small example. For the Diamond 40 and 42, the engine is they have a FedEx system.
FedEx,
to manage the engine.
Yeah.
And they do not have a conventional control, engine control, which we have this throttle lever. There is fuel mixture lever. There's a prop lever. 3 lever we have to play together to get the aircraft power. You have to put the throttle, and then the throttle is giving you the fuel and the air, and then you have fuel mixture lever, and we have this prop lever, prop pitch control. When you have FedEx, all the control is not done manually.
Electronically.
It's done by electronic. There's a computer controlling. So we do not have this control. We only have one throttle lever. So the requirement to have all the control for the aircraft, engine and component and system. So they got 3, but you got 1. So mean that you have the control. You have mean of control. You know you do not have deviation. You still have the control. You still able to control the engine. However, you only got one control, throttle lever, because the control only providing the input to the FedEx. So that situation we call it equivalent safety findings. Okay, so for the 350 there are several equivalent safety findings. I show 350 because the ATR is a bit more complex because they got many models. So this set basis is become cluttered. So I just show you this because it's straightforward. But if you want to go through the ATR, I have no problem with that. You can, what you need to do, you have to understand this equivalent safety finding on your ATL aircraft, because if you're repairing, if you're modifying the aircraft, you should at least glance through this and try to determine which of these equivalent safety finding affected by the mod or repair. Then you can see item para 5, environmental protection requirements. Fuel ventings, okay, and IQ Annex 16, this is noise, okay, and there's a noise approval. So every aircraft, they will have to do the noise test, and there's a noise certificate for each aircraft. So back to this noise certificate. So DCA has issued 1601 as noise certificate. Why I put it here? Because noise certificate, noise certification will be part of requirement to issue certificate of airworthiness. Okay, clear?